ShipIt to me is the power of discovery, whether that's new people, something in yourself, a skill, a topic, just that broad discovery power.
One of the things I love about ShipIt is there's no wrong answer. There's no dead end, sorry, you failed at your mission. So there's the part where you might try something technical, it might fail, but you can still gain valuable lessons from that.
I find ShipIt to be the most valuable when I just get a chance to play and experiment and try something new and not have to feel like it has to be anything more than what it is. It can just be the experience.
Fighting that urge to get into the make, fighting that urge to say, aha, we've got the solution, let's roll with it, and just being really uncomfortable at, we're throwing all this stuff out there, but then we're brave enough to say, wait, hold on, let's go back a step, let's question it.
Reminds me every time that we're just grown-up children. It let us color without lines for a few hours, more or less, rather than having lines put down that we need to fill up with.
You start to test some theoretical assumptions you may have had. You can have a great debate with someone about something, but when you actually start to do it, you might end up with a completely different outcome.
You may realize that this is more difficult, or this is going to take longer, or actually this is not what I thought it was going to be. And sometimes you just don't know until you actually get into building something.
When one part wasn't going to plan, James quickly innovated to pull it off and to find a solution, which he would never have, it's a bit like penicillin. It was like an accidental kind of innovation or discovery.
The exciting moment for me was when I realized that we almost definitely weren't going to win or anything, and it was actually totally okay.
Do ShipIt in whichever way that you want to do it. It's a time for innovation. It's a time for you to explore something that you're passionate about.
It's a place that people can really have fun and just kind of wonder what if.
Keep an open mind. Reach out to people who are outside of your discipline, and don't be afraid to say that you don't know the answer just yet.
It's one of the few things in life where you have a guaranteed outcome where it's just gonna be good, all gravy.